Driving lessons. While completing the almost 2-hour drive between Apopka and Avon Park in the sunny state of Florida, I cruised south along Highway 27. I remember seeing on my first trip something a little strange to me. There were several sets of flashing amber lights extending across parts of the highway from one side all the way to the opposite side. As I explored what the lights meant, I eventually found out that they were teaching all users of the road a valuable lesson. The flashing lights were saying to all drivers, approach this intersection with caution. Now in Jamaica, we have a similar flashing light thing, where if you're driving along the road and you see an oncoming vehicle flashing their lights at you, without a sound, these flashing lights effectively communicate to thousands of drivers, moderate your speed. The intersection is unpredictable. Police, they're around the corner. Wives, like the flashing lights, speak through their actions. Their smile, posture, frown, pause, stance, seating position, crossed legs, hands on hips, or fingers running through their hair all say something. The actions which wives use to speak are almost infinite, and husbands are required to learn to hear the actions. Wives speak in many ways, including through their action. This has been a section of Help Me, I'm Married to You by Milton C. Brown. And I thought I'd share this section of this book. My wife and I, we have been trotting this road a very long time, more than 15 years, but officially as husband and wife, we have been trotting for 15 years. These are some of the things, some of the situations that you learn along the way so that your marriage can last its first year, its fifth year, or maybe even its 15th year, and so that you can see another 15 years or even more than that, 30, 45 of wedding bliss. If you have not caught this book, I suggest that it's a very good read. Help Me, I'm Married to You by Milton C. Brown. So if you know one of your brethren who is married, just suggest this book to him. Or if you know one of your brethren that is about to get married, definitely suggest this book to him so that he can have a good read.